Pop the eyes in Photoshop. The first thing, you will create a curve adjustment layer. Then you will change the blend mode to screen. After you create that one, you will go back to the adjustment layer and create hue and saturation layer from that same adjustment. Then you will create a clipping mask. That way you will clip the hue and saturation layer to the curve layer. And afterwards, you will change the saturation of the hue and adjustment layer to 30%. And when you do that one finish, you will go down to the blend mode and change the blend mode of the hue and saturation layer to color dodge. Once you don't change them, you will select both layers and then group them by pressing Ctrl G or pressing group folder icon where they down. When you do that finish, you will rename this group whatever name you want call am wey dey related to eye so that you go fit remember. After you rename am, you go create a negative mask, and to do that one, very simple. You go hold down Alt and click on the mask icon. That way you will create a negative fill. Then you will select the brush tool and set the flow to 20%, the opacity to 100%, and you will just brush around the eye. But make sure say the foreground color now white and the background should be any color or black, or the default color. Make sure the foreground are white, and then just use that style systematically brush on the pupil side of the eye. After you do that finish, you will reduce the opacity to a level where we say this suiting and calm for your eye. One of the duty of an artist is that you hide it.